Hello, Park High School. This is Mr. Fong, your multicultural specialist. I wanted to share with you the results of our school-wide election. The cool part about working with the YMCA Civic or Center for Youth Voice is that we are connected to at least 179 schools in the great state of Minnesota that are also doing student mock elections. As you can see here, these are the incoming results of this year's student election in this network. And this will be updated throughout the day on election day. And so what you need to do is you're going to need to click on the link that is in this message just below. And then once you get to this page, it'll give you the general outline of the results statewide. Then you can click on the next page button, which hopefully it will go to. Right there, next page, hopefully. If it doesn't work, the next page will bring you to, you can look for Park High School, and it will pull up the results for our high school. You can also click and compare high schools. So if you wanted to compare Richfield Middle School and Sibley East School, you can get the results of where they have voted. So it's a pretty cool tool. There are definitely some schools nearby that you can see how they voted. And so if you have any questions, feel free to send a message to Mr. Fong on Schoology, or you can also email me at mfong0@sowashco.org. All right, thank you for voting, and have a great day.